Today we'll be talking about how to create a new customer service ticket in the ServiceJan platform. A new ticket is simply a new job or service request entered into the system. It's where everything starts. Customer details, service needs, scheduling, and tracking. Everything is managed inside the ticket from start to finish. Let's get right into it. Go ahead and log in. On the right side, you'll see the Create New Ticket option. Start by entering your customer's name and address. If there's an apartment or unit number, it will automatically populate, along with the rest of the address once verified. The system will also indicate whether the zip code is within your service area, outside of it, or if any travel fees or surcharges apply. You can add any additional notes here, along with the contact person's name, email, and phone number. If there's a secondary or main contact, you can include that as well. A private customer is someone paying for their own service. In this case, we're creating a private ticket. Enter the issue and description, select the type of service, and include any details you want visible on the main page. You can also add referral or lead information, anything that helps you track, organize, and analyze your operations. Add any final notes, and that's it. Click Save and Close. In the next video, we'll go over account tickets, third-party tickets, and what's inside a ticket. Thank you, and have a great day.